Hey everyone, choosing the right architecture is key to building scalable and testable Android apps. So forget about the old partners. Today let's nail down Model View Intent or MVI. MVI is a reactive partner that enforces unidirectional data flow. Think of it as a state machine where data moves in a predictable single direction. First, the intent. This is not the traditional Android intent. In MVI, the intent represents the user action or intention, a button click, text input, or a screen swipe. It's any event that say I want to change the app's state. The view captures the intent and sends it to the model layer, typically the view model. Second, the model. This is the single source of truth for your screen states. It's an immutable data class that holds everything the UI needs. For example, a data class screen states. When the view model receives the intent, it processes the business logic, and instead of mutating the current state, it creates and emits an entirely new state object. This is why MVI is so predictable. You always know the state of your UI. Third, the view. This is your composable. The view is passive, it has no logic. Its only job is to observe the state string from the model and handle the UI exactly as the state dictates. And that completes the cycle. The view handles the state, the user interacts, generating a new intent, and the flow repeats. So view to intent to model to view again. The huge benefits: predictability, thread safety thanks to immutable state, and incredible testability because your state changes are simple, are pure functions. So MVI gives you a strong, clear contrast between the user, your logic, and the screen. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more Android deep dives. Bye.